We are going to look at code editor. Which editor are we going to use in this our journey using mobile encoding? So we are going to use, for those using Android, we are going to get a code. A code, when you come to your store, look at a code. This is the free one. There is also one that is a paid one. With a paid one, you won't have ads. With a free one, you will have pop-up ads. And the paid one, the amount is very cheap, so you can get it. Any one is okay. So for those using iOS, you can get a code app. There's an app known as Code App in iOS. It's good as a code editor. So for those using laptop, you can get VS Code. VS Code is the best for laptop. So all these things are IDEs, integrated development environment, which is an environment where we can be to apply our coding and build our websites. Okay, so now let's assume we have our code already installed. Now, if you install your code for the first time, you will have something like this. Nothing will be here. Now, what can we do? Let us we need a folder. So how do we create a folder within this app? So you can simply if we click on open folder, click on add, click on this, click on add path, click on select folder. Now, maybe now you go to your root, depending wherever you want to create that folder. So if you go to your phone, by selecting the phone, you can create a new folder. So if you create a new folder and call it website journey, for example, or whatever you want to build, and you click OK, you click use this folder, allow, OK. You look for that website journey and click on this good. I think you're OK. Your folder will come in. Now this is your folder. In this your folder, you can start creating your files. Start building your website. Now, once it is HTML, the file will have an extension of .html. So if I want to create a file, I click on this little dot and we say create a new file. I can also create a folder by clicking on new folder. So if I click on new file, I can create index. Since it is HTML, the extension is .html. So I will click. Now my file is here. If I click here, I can delete my file, copy my file, rename my file, and so on. So if I open my file, I can see I'm having my file index.html. So this is our first HTML file. We're able to create our first HTML file. Here we can say, welcome to HTML. So now for us to learn our file, which is for us to make our file to show on a browser, we click here. If we click on this and go, you can see welcome to the HTML. You are now able to create your first HTML website. Welcome to this tutorial. Our next tutorial will be about tags, because we will not writing your plain text in here is not the best way. Anything you are going to write in here must come with a tag. So our next tutorial is about HTML tags and HTML fundamentals as well. Yeah.